Good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. How's everyone? Today has to be a good day. Today has to be a good day. Yesterday we spent whole day. There was no trades, unfortunately. But hopefully today we're gonna have something. We need something today. I am waiting for Aussie dollar as an option. If we break above this resistance, we're having a pretty good push here, but it's gonna matter how the candle closes. Once it closes above, we're gonna have a good trade here. Hopefully we have another 15 minutes, so if we push above the previous three candles, then we may have some nice continuation. Just a matter of time right now. Also, as you can see here on Aussie JPY, this is a massive resistance. If we're gonna break above this, we're gonna have a massive move also. So very excited when this is gonna break. It's gonna be very nice. GU the same. Let's take a look. GU, yes sir. GU is also the same. It's been so long at the same range. Hopefully we get a break above here, a retest and some nice continuation. It would be perfect because it's been a while and the GU's been consolidating here a lot. Finally, maybe we're gonna have some a breakout here. GJ is pretty much the same, but we will see about DJ. Let's see first what we got on other pairs. Euro US dollar. Euro US dollar is what can I say? Nothing much. Nothing much. Yesterday we had some crazy moves. I don't see a setup on Euro US dollar. Don't see a setup on EU. I'm gonna wait for Aussie dollar or AUD/JPY or GU. On other pairs, I don't really see much. I don't see much. Aussie dollar is very close. All it has to do is to push another, let me see, another 5 pips. That would be perfect. Hopefully. No, unfortunately yesterday there was nothing. Yesterday was a messy day. We didn't get any setup yesterday. Even though we looked all day for setup, but at the end we got nothing. It happens. It happens. You can't find a trade every day. Sometimes it's just a consolidation day, and that's it. You have to wait for it. 0.7375 daily resistance. It's the same, I think. See, it's the same thing. This is the same level. Once we close above it, means also we are breaking the daily resistance too. Can you upload the sim later? Yes, of course. I'll upload sim after the webinar, along with this webinar here. Don't worry. Okay, guys, we have another 10 minutes, 12 minutes. Once we close, we're gonna see if we have any options or not. Let's take a look at a chart here. Let's take a look. Was this a good trade? Yeah, look here. Whenever price is coming from another zone, it's a risky trade. So I saw this before and I didn't take it. So there was a reason, right? Price got rejected from this resistance here. Even if price would come right away, would I take this? Maybe. I mean, this zone looks pretty good. Unless there was something on the daily. Was there something on daily? To check the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, it was pretty good setup actually. Didn't realize that. Didn't really realize this. Anyway, it's probably gone, but if it was coming from another zone, then I would probably wouldn't take it. That's it. CAD JPY, let's take a look. CAD JPY sitting at resistance. Next resistance is almost there. Wouldn't touch it right now. Wouldn't touch it. I don't see anything clear there. If there was something, we would take it. AUD-JPY is trying to break this resistance, but it's failing right now. So it's going to take some time maybe, but once we do break this, it's going to be a massive move to the upside probably. A massive move. I don't see this coming all the way down, but anything can happen. As long as it stays below, there's still chances of continuation. But once we break here, we are going all the way up. See, we have a good ranged fill here. That's how much? Oh, that's pretty big. That's almost 60 pips to the upside. We have clean traffic, guys. We have clean traffic. We gotta keep an eye on this, because whenever it breaks, it's gonna be massive. Aussie dollar is pushing little by little. Let's see if we're gonna have a breakout. I would hate it to see it closing like this, because next candle can push all the way through. So it would be a shame to not get a chance here. NZD JPY make you a good setup. not very interested on NZD/JPY because I'm not very interested on NZD/JPY. We have these major pairs right now we need to focus on. So better focus on these pairs. NZD/JPY is secondary pair. When you go to trade, it goes against you like 10, 12 pips. Do you cut 50% to reduce loss or not? It depends. It depends on the setup. Most of the time, we wait for candles to close before we decide to close the trade, because candle closes will make the decisions. So if one hour candle closes back in the range, so we try to reduce the loss, maybe close at 10 pips. If we have 20 pip stop loss, then we got close back in the range, 10 pips in back in the range. We either take a 10 pip loss or wait for a price to come to make a retest so we can get out at break even. You have a lot of examples from before, so you can see this on previous webinars. Just waiting. We have another 5 minutes. Not very good sign that price is not pushing, because maybe volume is going to come next candle. 6 minutes left. We need to push above. Could you look at gold, clean traffic? Well, it looks like it, but I'm not gonna mess with gold. Even though 1 hour looks good, create a resistance. Here we had a 1, 2, 3 candles rejecting. Maybe break and retest this next zone. There's clear range, but gold is too bearish. I wouldn't trust it. I wouldn't trust it. And you also looking good for our chart. Let's take a look. Yeah, we'll see. I better wait for Aussie dollar. I like it better, but looks like not gonna have a breakout right now. Beitu, why do you love EU so much? No, I don't like it. Don't like EU. I mean, it can work, but I don't know. I just am not sure on EU. I'd rather wait for Aussie dollar still. What do you think about EJ? This is a fake out setup. I don't know. We gotta see what's on the left. CJ, there's no trade, James, on CJ, because it's pretty close to resistance, and I would just leave it right now. See this? It's almost at resistance. Next zone is very close, like 5 pips. Let's go back to EJ. EJ. Do we have a resistance here on the 1 hour? Yes, we do have a resistance on the 1 hour. Now price. You're saying that we have a resistance here, and this was a fake out. Let's go back and see if this resistance matches up with other ones. It looks like it. It looks like it. The only problem is that I like to see more rejections. I like to see more consolidation. I don't know how much I can trust a setup like this. What is the duration of data you choose to read charts? I mean, 5 days, 1 week, 6 months. No, we don't go 5 months, no 6 months. There's no need. We'll look at what happened during last week, for example. And we see if we're not at a very strong level, that may cause a problem when a retest comes. We don't go most of the time too far. What is your November profit? 3.5%. If you mean about C-Trader. Okay, Aussie dollar probably is not going to break. Problem is, if it closes like this, we might even continue all the way to the downside. Why? Because when we broke below here, we didn't really have a retest. So this may be the retest to continue down. But to the downside, we really don't have a very good choice how to enter, because this next support is around here. So for sells, we would have to drop all the way down here, close below, a retest, and continuation to this next zone. So I think we have to wait and see, because we might have some downside continuation here. No break to the upside. Unfortunately. USD CAD. It's not enough. This is not enough. You know, guys, when you want to choose a trade, just go back and see when we took trades, right? And see how good they were. Is this chart same as the one that we took before? If not, then it's not worth to take it. You know, is that chart like this? Is that chart this good? Yeah, just what previous trades we took. Is it the same? Is there enough of a zone to take the trade? It's only 2 candles here. It's not really a support. I wouldn't trust it. When I take a trade, I like to see a lot of consolidations, a lot of rejections before breaking. Just like this one here. See, this is going to be a perfect setup when it breaks. All these rejections, once it closes above, game over, we're going all the way up. But right now it's taking some time, so it we might have to wait for a bit. In the meantime, we can get something else. Right now I'm searching, but we don't have much, fortunately. GU, I would think about taking a trade here on GU, but you know, look where it's coming from. So when you clear this whole range here, we need to have a strong 4-hour breakout probably. That would be a very good setup, because GU has been consolidating this zone for a long time. The lot size is 500 500 lots on every trade. I entered 5 positions, each one has 100 lots on it. Let's see. Let's see. EU. No, I don't like EU. I don't like EU. I know that we have some rejections here, but I don't know. It doesn't feel good. And this whole daily pullback is kind of crazy. Could have been just a daily retest. Yesterday we got some weird moves. But it corrected the move all the way up. Maybe it was affected by some kind of news. At the end, it's recovering. Just as EJ, I was expecting EJ to continue up yesterday, even from here, but it came deeper, and it way still continued to the upside. And well, probably today we're gonna see some more continuation, but we're gonna need confirmations. What about EA? What about EA? EA closed above this resistance. It's making the retest, looks like it. But what about this resistance on the 4 hour? I think we still push more. Think so. I don't know, it looks risky. Okay, so 4 hour candles, this one closed below. This did a retest, went all the way down. See, we got all these rejections. Now 1 hour closed above, making a retest, or we're gonna have some more continuation here. Thinking if this is a safe trade or not. Is it coming from another zone? If you look at the 4 hour, there's this resistance here. I don't know. I think we might have some continuation here. I don't trust it that much. I mean, look at the 1 hour. It is a very nice setup. We broke above this. It's just the pair that I don't like. EA. I don't know if I can trust it or not. You know what? I'm taking a buy on EA. Taking buy on EA because I think we got reasons to believe this is going to continue up. I don't see why it should continue down. I don't see it. I'm going to use let me see. Temp pips. Use 10 pips, or do we need more? Look, I took a buy on EA, but I'm not gonna risk that much on EA. I'm gonna keep it low risk. Thinking where to put my stop, because it would be around 15 pips, 13. Yeah, gonna put it right here. You know, it's dropping like hell right now. Dropping like hell. But see, do we have some kind of news? If you don't like EA, don't take it. But it looks like we have some high impact news. coming up. Might affect the market in 7 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna close at break even. I don't want to be in a trade that news are coming up. I don't know if it's gonna have big effect, but everything can happen. So we better go with the safe thing, closing at break even. If it comes. It's already there. So yeah, had to check the news before. High impact news. Honestly, I really like this. I just uh, I just see this going all the way up. We had a very good close on the 1 hour. We got a very good close on 1 hour. 4 hour, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. 4 hour pushed above this. On the 1 hour, we have a breakout. So it made a lot of sense to continue. But it's EA. EA can be risky sometimes. But let's wait. Maybe Aussie dollar is going to give us something good.
Good morning, bro.
Beitu, morning.
How are you doing?
Good, good. Still waiting here.
Yeah, I kind of have the feeling that GU can give us a breakout, like break to the downside because it's rejected pretty
Who?
strong. GU, yeah. I
Oh,
want
look
it to
at
close.
you.
I want that to close back again below your zone.
Yeah, I don't know about you. I mean, it is rejecting, but I still think it might continue up. All that move it did. I still
Consider
think it
to
might
take it.
continue more.
When would you consider to take it to the downside?
No, I wouldn't consider because that would be trading this consolidation box, Trading inside a consolidation would be risky or risky trading. Guys, EA was closed. I said that. EA is closed because I didn't look at news before, so close at break even. We have a high impact Euro news coming up in. Let's see. 4 minutes left. This is myfxbook.com. Myfxbook.com. Yeah, let's wait. Let's wait. No need to rush. No need to rush. Things you might still continue. This push was weird actually. Do we have any news? No. Looks like not. Anyway, let's wait. Let's wait. Aussie dollar is pushed a bit, but let's see if it's gonna break. Cause all this push is nothing without a candle close. Without a candle close, we can't do anything. Just a matter of time right now. Let's see. News coming up. 2 minutes on ear pairs. EA is about to fly. EA is about to fly. We have ear news. Oh, I was thinking I took buys actually. I closed it at break even, but bullish bias here. Let's see what news gonna be. Maybe news gonna help this push all the way through to the upside. Who knows? Usually these era news are not high impact, even though it says high impact. They don't really move the market that much. Pretty much very slow. They don't do anything big. Yeah, most of the time it doesn't have an impact, but when it's high, says high impact, you gotta be careful. Yeah, better not, because holding during the news would be somehow like a gamble, maybe. Because you never know, one day it might have big impact. Look at this. What a nice rejection. 10 pips.
The fall was kind of like making me doubt.
4 hours good because 4 hour pushed above these two previous candles, 1 hour closed above, so had to do a retest. And now I think we're gonna come all the way to this zone, that next zone, or 1 hour filling this wick probably. But yeah, anyway, trade is gone. We're gonna look for something else. There's still time. Can do something here. AUDJPY, if this goes all the way down again, the hell, we need a breakout. Aussie dollar reject all the way down, probably gonna push all the way down. We still got a chance on Aussie dollar here. If we close below this level, might have a good trade to the downside. Because this can be a daily retest to continue down. And we can come all the way down here. If it goes how I expect, once we break this zone on the 1 hour, then pushing below this daily turns bearish and we go all the way down to the next zone. So let's wait. Waiting. Can you look at trade I took on gold? Yes, sure. Let's take a look. Rejection. Entry area when the 30-minute candle closed bullish. Took half my profit and let runner running. Need to think about that huge wick of rejection. Take profit. Yeah, you're talking most about taking profits, but the reason why you took it is more important. From what I see, maybe you took it as a break and retest. but you know, very risky. Anyway, congrats, you took a trade you wanted. Hope it works for you. Uh, what do we have else? Nothing much. Wow, GU came all the way to the downside. What a big rejection. It's pretty crazy. In 20 minutes, in 20 minutes, well, not a very big move, but you know, 25 pips push and another 25, 30 pips drop. Pretty crazy. And it's just the first 18 minutes of the candle. A lot can happen on the 40 minutes left that are from this candle. They're all coming from another zone, guys, so no rush. Don't take it. Don't take it, just wait. Because we might get the chance soon. EA is flying. Okay, okay. Shouldn't cry now. Yannick, unfortunately, it's all Beto's fault.
Why? I was about to take it.
And I'm just kidding.
You
Because
closed and then I didn't enter.
Because it was the news coming up, so I said, okay, I'm not gonna close it. But yeah, bad luck today. What a move. How could you have seen the trade on E? I see zones right above another 1.62577. 577. See a zone right here. Yeah, I mean, look, thing is, focus on which zone is stronger, right? Which zone is stronger here? Look how many rejections we've had before here. So price, when it breaks, needs to go somewhere, right? So made a new high here, let's say. Okay, it's a minor zone, but compared to this one, you know, it goes a while back and still same thing. So in between these two zones, there's gonna be a minor zone, and that's the minor zone probably. So if you could say it's coming from another zone, I don't know, you could say that. We had a small range after that. On the 4 hour, it was pretty much still could have pushed up, had still more room to push, but I don't know if this would be a problem. I mean, look at the 1 hour candle, it was a very great close, no top wick, and the screen candle had no top wick also. Needed to push this, but anyway, the news stopped us, but at the end, it's good that it went up. It just told us that was good. No, and it doesn't hurt to see it. No, it doesn't matter. We'll have another one soon. You guys were all having doubts, so if you're having doubts, it's not a good thing to take it.
True.
Better just watch. It's a learning trade. It came, it went, no worse. We'll get another one. We'll take another one. It's gonna come sooner or later. Maybe G's gonna give us that. Maybe G's gonna give us that. Just a matter of time. Gotta be patient. Lewis, on AUD NZD, I just don't like the pair. I just don't like the pair. It has huge spread. It's not worth trading it. And moves very slow also. June Master, if you're still on EA, well, probably take some profits here and move your stop at break here, because we're at a zone now, might get rejected. Protect your profits. Close some, why not? Take some profits. Let's see. Right now, we're not having a very good, promising setups. But we'll see. We're still in the range on Aussie dollar. GU is still in between these two. Whenever we break, we're gonna have a good setup. How do I secure some profit if you have only 0.01 lot? Well, just secure everything then. If you are 0.01, because only one position and it's a 0.01, then you don't have a choice. Take profits at a certain amount when you think it's worth it. Take profit at 10 pips or 15, or just move stop at break even. It's your choice. But you know, I'm trading a C trader, the same thing. So I'm not leaving runners. So if I got 1%, I close everything there. It's up to you. If you are pleased what you got, you get 1%, close 1%. Move on to the next. USD JPY. I like USD JPY better now because we've had a lot of rejection at this level. But at the time, we didn't really like it. But right now, we're having some nice rejections. So if we come later on, breaking below this would be a good setup. I don't know about USD CAD. I don't like it right now. The position that it is. Rather skip this. This was good maybe. Even though it's small breakout, but went pretty nice. This is how it is. Trading is also about patience, waiting for the perfect moment to attack. Waiting for the perfect moment to attack. Sooner or later, it's gonna come. Order block. What is that? Order block? No idea. I don't trade order blocks. I don't trade order blocks. Look, let's go Aussie dollar now. It's about to come back again. It's about to come back again. If we get a break to the upside, that would be awesome. You know, that level is very strong. Could be a great confirmation for us. Came all the way up again? Of course came. It was just a rejection at the time. Still gonna push. I knew the way the candle was forming, it didn't make any sense to continue down. So just a matter of time. Unfortunately, one of the things is that the 4-hour is not going to close yet. So we're just going to have a 1-hour breakout. Should we take the 1-hour breakout or wait for the 4-hour? If we wait for the 4-hour, we might miss the trade because you can't move all the way to the upside until the 4-hour comes to a close. Interesting. Gotta make a decision. If Aussie dollar and GU both break at a time, I would probably take Aussie dollar. GBP news coming up on 1-hour? No way. No way. Medium impact. Manufacturing PMI. It might move. GBP, who knows? Same news as on EU. One hour, a lot of things can happen, but that means in 1 hour means 30 minutes after candle close, so we have only 30 minutes to make a trade, good trade. Let's see, Aussie dollar might give us something, hopefully. NZD, if NZD US dollar breaks, well, it looks good. We'll see. Still, I'll take Aussie dollar better because it has a lot more rejection. Makes a lot more sense. More rejections, the better the breaking beat is going to be. What's happening with Bitcoin? Is it pushing again? Nice, nice. I hope it goes to 100k and people win from it. Why not? Why not? Good, good. It's about to make a new high. Monthly has no top wick. Let's make a top wick. Look at all these years of consolidation. And just look at it, and all the way out of a sudden to 19k, 20k. Very, very nice. Anyway, back to our nice pairs here. Aussie dollar pushing above. Let's go Aussie dollar. We're not going to need a 10 pips breakout. We're going to need at least a 5 pip maybe. 5 pip on Aussie dollar can be enough. Why not? Coming up, coming up. We have plenty of time, but we have to wait. You went pretty nice also. We're missing a lot of setups. A lot of setups. Oh, UJ pushing below. Are we gonna have a trade here on UJ? That would be awesome. Would take some weeks to move, but you know, why not? Can be good sometimes. You know, when sometimes UJ starts to move, make some nice moves. Look at this. Comes out of nowhere. But when it consolidates, takes months. Oh, very nice. Let's go, OU. We have another 20 minutes. Another 10 minutes, 20 minutes. You took USD CAD and SD US dollar. Nice. You moved the market. Very nice. Let's go, Aussie, let's go. Can't wait for this trade actually. Can't wait for this trade. It's gonna be very important to us. Yeah, you know, now it looks good after it was done. FX Gooner, you're an Arsenal fan? Do you support Arsenal? Look, EA is almost done now. We don't have to do anything with EA right now. Let's just wait for us dollar. Oh, you are an Arsenal fan. Feel very sorry, man. Your team is very bad right now. Feel sorry for Arsenal because they used to be very good. No, I like Arsenal. I like them, but you know, personally, not having any luck lately. Fortunately. We might have to sack fun happens because he's not making any fun today. We might have to sack him from the moderator position. French team? Phil, where are you living, man? How do you think that Arsenal is a French team? Doesn't even sound as a French team, Arsenal. If it was Arsenal, it would be French, but it's not. You know what I'm thinking? Maybe I should put something here to make this go to the upside. We have a guy here that works for us. Maybe I have to start to use these. Because the winter is coming. Is this nice? Snowing? I was waiting for snow to come, but still not having luck with snow.
So what are you doing? It's snowing.
It's snowing, man. It's cold on the stream. No, these are gonna come later on when it starts to snow.
Can you make it rain money on the stream?
Oh, that's a good idea. Maybe, who knows? How can I turn this around? I don't know. The guy that holds the magnet. Need to find one upside down. A good target for us dollar is once it breaks all the way to the upside. I think around here. Might come around here. That's around 15 pip move. 15 pip range to the upside. Might be good. Just waiting for it to break. Let me find a magnet here. So we need to push this to the upside. Beichu, you gave me a very nice idea. Raining money. Have to find something about that.
Yeah.
When we win a trade, I'm gonna play that.
I bought a copier and I'm trying to install it. That's why I mute it all the time.
Computer?
No, the copier, like scanner.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Still waiting, a lot of waiting happening. But you guys are getting better with patience, right? GU is pushing. Yes, it is. If Aussie dollar doesn't give us something, then yeah, we'll take GU. Is it better? Well, they're both better. They're both good. Can find something good. Can't find. Anyway, we'll work on that later on. Okay, let's go. 14 minutes left. 14 minutes left. Any trades yet? Not yet. We're still waiting and waiting and waiting for a setup to come. Put my glasses on. Let's see if I can find something now. We got a lot of pairs and no setup. It's pretty ridiculous. Your cat has been rejecting this zone a lot lately. It's not able to break yet. We'll see later on. Maybe we get a chance here. Is the cat JPY is really doing nothing? DJ is rejecting. There's no breakout yet. Is it US dollar starting? It's trying to push above this resistance. It's a very small push for now. You'll get better later. If GU has to give us a good breakout, guys. We can't take it with a small breakout. 4 pips. We need like very close to 10. Like 7, 8 maybe. 9, 10 pips would be perfect actually. 10 pips would be perfect. If we get that, we have a perfect setup. Hello brother, GBP/USD, Dell or buy after the end of a candle? Well, I don't know. I don't know about Dells. Maybe buys would be better after the breakout. I wouldn't say Dells here. 15 pips stop loss enough for GU. Well, let's take a look here about stop loss. Yeah, I think so. Around 15 pips can be enough. I mean, if we're gonna have a breakout here, wouldn't make any sense for price to come all the way to this level, because that would be closing back in the range probably, or a big fake out. So what can you expect here? I mean, you can expect deeper retest around here from this zone to this zone, then still continuation. But if it comes all the way from where this candle has started, it's game over. We would probably get stopped. So we need to stay above this to continue to the upside. So our entry is going to be at 1.33950. Stop loss around 15 pips, even though it's not very needed. But in case this is going to be a fake out, we might have more room to manage the trade and we close at break even, something like that. But right now we need a breakout first. Even with this being a daily level, you'll take longs. This daily level is breaking, right? So we are breaking this level on lower time frames. Four-hour is also very good. It's just a matter of time. 4 hour, it's going to take another hour. So if we wait for it, we might miss the trade. So we're going to take it on the 1 hour. 1 hour is going to be our trade. Also Aussie dollar, but Aussie dollar is not really pushing. So it looks like GU is going to be the only one. Even though we still have 10 minutes left, you never know, it might reject all the way to the downside.
Sad, would you say EU and GU has almost the same setup?
EU and GU?
Hmm.
No, no. This is nowhere near GU because we don't even have a good structure here on Euro US dollar. On GU, we had a lot of rejections before. Price couldn't break, created a very big consolidation box here, and now we're finally breaking above. It's way, way better. EU is nowhere near this. And we're gonna
Yeah.
have a very good breakout as it seems. As it seems, it's 10 pips breakout. It's gonna be perfect. All we gotta do now is wait for the retest. It's 10, 8 minutes left. Hopefully it stays like this, doesn't come lower. Let's see, let's see. So, this is the worst thing. This is the worst thing. If price closes like this, it's the worst thing because it's only 3 pips. We don't like this. Might even close all the way below. That would be crazy. Also, let's not forget news. News are coming. Yeah, it's not high impact. It's medium impact on GBP. But you never know. You never know what can happen. I would put a magnet on, but we don't have to the upside. Only to the downside. Okay, good, good, good. We're pushing again. That's good. 7, 8 pips. It can work. Not bad. Aussie dollar is struggling. Still no breakout. If you are risking 1% around 10 pips, you say that to 1% in profit. So in particular example with you are risking 1%, 1.5, or are you taking small positions? No, it depends. If I'm risking 1.5%, I'll go for a 1.5% profit target maybe. But when you have zero drawdown, it's subjective, the risk. If most of the time you are having zero drawdown, means you're not risking anything. If you look at it, zero drawdowns. What if it would go against you? But yeah, it's only what if it didn't. But yeah, I mean, if I'm gonna go with 1-to-1 risk reward at least, probably. So we'll see. It's not a good thing. It's coming back again, and we only have 3 minutes left. Only have 3 minutes left. The news site is myfxbook.com. No AGU. It's gonna make us wait for another hour. Or not. I hate this because now it's gonna be a weak breakout. I'm gonna have to skip it, and then can move all the way to the upside. That's the worst thing. That's the worst thing can happen here. Is UJ worth a look? Yeah, UJ also was coming down. I don't know what happened. Yeah, it's rejecting. It's no breakout. Can take EA. What about EA? No, I wouldn't take EA now. So right at resistance. I don't like it. It was good when it was here, now it's all done. Okay, let's see GU. GU has done a 5 pips breakout. Only 5. Only 5 pips breakout. I don't know, it's not enough 5 pips. I mean, it's a clear break above. But it's only 5 pips. 6. 5, 6 pips. Can this be enough? Is this a good breakout? We said that on GBP pairs we need at least 10 pips because they are more volatile. I don't know. I really like a 4-hour breakout. Would be awesome, but with a 5 pips breakout is too risky.
Bro, what do you think about AUD CAD?
AUD CAD, is it worth watching?
I think so. For me, it looks like there is a zone at 0.95400. Yes, exactly, and it broke it.
This one. I mean, it looks pretty good. We have a good range to fill to the downside. Why not? We might take this.
I like it too.
Look guys, GU, maybe it's better to wait for the 4-hour. Maybe it's better to wait because I don't want to, if we lose this trade, it's going to be on us. A mistake by purpose, because we said many times we need at least 10 pips breakout. Even if it works with a 5 pip breakout, we have to let this go. Unfortunately, we need to wait for the 4-hour. It's just not safe taking with only 5 pips. You know, I don't want to push you guys to do the same because I've said many times we need a bigger breakout on GBP pairs. AUD CAD is good. AUD CAD is good. Let's see the 4-hour. Yeah, so this is a 4-hour level too. It's a 1-hour level. 1 hour closed below. A very nice rejection. 1 hour closed bearish. And it closed below this too. It's a very good zone. The breakout is good. Good for a pair like AUD CAD. 6 pips, even more than GBP. Yeah, we might try this if it comes for a retest here. You know it's gonna be slow as hell. Look how fast GU came because the breakout is very small. Of course it's gonna come very fast. Let's just wait for the 4-hour, guys. You know, we need a better confirmation because this is a massive resistance, and having only 5 pips breakout, we gotta be more cautious here. We need a good breakout, at least 10 pips. If this was 7-8 pips, okay, I would take it, but only 5. I have doubts. Better stay away. Let's take a look at this. We have a range of how many pips is this range? Okay, 15-16 pips, not bad. on the 1 hour, if we make a retest here, can continue all the way to this next zone. And you can see how good price respects this level just by looking at the rejections we've had before. See, we had a breakout here, had a retest, price went all the way up. Every time price came here, look how big the move was. Except when price broke below and came to another zone. Then it resulted in a fake out. So this is a perfect example. When price coming from another zone is too risky. Closed back in the range, did a retest, went all the way up. Rejected again. Now we're closing below. We need a retest here and some continuation to this next zone. Every time, look how good price respected this level. Should do the same here unless it doesn't wait us. It's pushing straight to the downside. Why don't we have a trade when we need it? Look at you. Look at you. Look at you guys. It's pushing. GU is melting. It's gonna be fun. You know? It's gonna be fun because if this fails, you're gonna know the reason. You're gonna know the reason this fails. It's not gonna be a surprise. Surprise. Mm-hmm. Short on Geo? Well, this is the problem. You get lucky once, twice, third time blows your account. We were just talking about this last night on the sim session. It's not good, man. It's not good. One day it's gonna make you regret. Trust me. It's not good to sell highs, buy low, or these kind of things. It's always too risky. Just the 4 hour, first of all, is very strong level. The 1 hour, second, was a weak breakout. So there's a lot of things why this might be dropping. Also, what if the news is going to have some impact too? Then it becomes even more interesting. If the news push this up 4 hour closes above, then it's also risky because if the move a breakout happens because of the news, it's too risky also. NZ US dollar closed below, nothing there too. GJ is dropping, CAD JPY is still there. GCAD is dropping, EuroCAD at resistance, gold doing nothing. AUD JPY is dropping all the way down, couldn't break again. AUD CAD is moving to a downside, didn't really make a retest where we wanted here. It's pushing now, it's pushing to the downside. Yeah, EA might have been the trade of the day. Look at this. Look at this, how good this was. Unfortunately, let's not cry about it. It's gone, so what can we do? It's gone. Scalp, please, scalp, please. What is that, scalp? Why do you guys only want quick things? You gotta be patient. Wait for the perfect setup to come up. And you take a safe trade, not just quick one, just a quick one. What is that? It's nothing quick. Good things take time. It's a very known saying. Good things take time, so be patient. No. This is the reason. 1 hour is too long. Of course it is. That's why with this strategy you become patient. You become patient. You wait for your chance. If you go on the 15 minutes, then you're just gonna look for a trade. Anything it gives you. It's not the way to do it. It's not the way. Not gonna switch to lower time frames because this is how we trade. We go safe. We're trading real money, and when we take a trade, we want to make sure it's a safe one, it's a good one, it fits all our rules. Then we take it. There's no need to push a trade. It's gonna come sooner or later. It's taking some time, but it's taking time. But whatever, every time takes a lot of time. We've seen how patient pays, so it's gonna come sooner or later. Gonna come sooner or later. Unfortunately, we're not having anything right now. I would say maybe GCAD's doing a retest here, but it's a hell of messy chart right now. I mean, maybe Aussie dollar is gonna give us something, but there's a lot of consolidation right now, unfortunately. This is scalping, and still people think it's not. It needs to be even in a lower time frame. This is scalping. Our trades most of the time doesn't last more than an hour, let's say. Sometimes they're done in 10 minutes. Sometimes, yeah, it might take more than 1 hour, but it's very rare. Usually next candle, like on the retest candle, the move is done most of the time. And people want even a faster thing, in 1 minute the trade to be done. You're asking too much. You're asking too much. Just wait. This is like these people are like addicted. They can't see the count staying without a trade. They need something running there. Like, just wait for your chance to come. It's gonna come sooner or later. USD CAD might break later on. See, nothing's happened really. It's nothing. Just having some consolidations, some weird moves on GBP pairs, all these kind of things. Ali Zaid, that saying is different. The worst work to make money fast. No. I think it's different. Trading is the fastest way to make slow. No, I don't know. I don't remember. The saying is different. Let me search here. Hardest way to make easy money? Yeah, I think so. I think that's the one. Trading is the hardest way to make easy money. I think that's the one. Hardest way to make easy money. Yes. That is the saying. I don't even know what I'm expecting right now because everything is going stupid. Like Aussie dollar is still in the middle of its consolidation. If it was breaking below this, okay, but it's not doing anything. Staying below. Now GU came all the way back down, so having a full rejection of this candle closing above, it doesn't really make sense right now, and I don't see that coming, which means uh, which means the 4 hour is not going to be a breakout. If there's no 4 hour breakout, we don't have a trade. The only thing is UJ maybe. Maybe UJ will break, and then we'll wait forever for it to move. Phil, that's very good. Trading can be also easiest way to lose hard-earned money. Yeah, it is very easy. $100 on trading or like a dollar. It feels like it's nothing. $100, that's nothing in Forex. Basically nothing. While people work a week for $100 or a month. After done trading, well, what can I do? I spend time with my family. I do things that every people do. Usual things. No way, we're not having anything. Not having anything, no way. I mean, I woke up very early to find a trade today and nothing happened basically. Thought, okay, I'm gonna wake up very early, see if we can get a quick trade in the morning before London, and nothing happened. And now it's been 2 hours and nothing is happening yet. We're not even having some kind of hopes for a trade because it's just ranging. It's just ranging. We had a good one here, but didn't come enough. We'd have some nice 10 pips here. On UJ, we're waiting for this level to break. Oh, Aga, you had to take a risky one EA then, if that's the point. To take a risky one. Should have been EA. It would be done. You need only one risk, right? 1% risk left. Oh god, 1% risk. Just take something. Just take something without thinking, and you'll be done. You will be done. Just take anything you like here. A GU buy. Oh, how are pips calculate in gold? Well, $1 is 10 pips. I think so. So 1791 to 1792, it's 10 pips. Your cat, yeah, your cat. That's the one. Also, well, looks like we do have one coming. You can try this, Aga. You can try this. Maybe this is gonna give us something. Your cat, maybe it's gonna break. Your GBP. I never trade your GBP. I'm just gonna take a look since we don't have anything, but I don't trade your GBP. It's one of the worst pairs ever. Like, I don't know why I hate Euro GBP, but it's just I don't like it. I don't like the way it moves. Euro GBP, both pairs are very, move a lot during long session. It's not very safe to take a trade on Euro GBP. Thoughts on gold? Gold, God knows what's going to do. Maybe it's going to come all the way to make a retest here. Who knows? I mean, everything can happen. But we'll see. It's a pretty big range to fill to the upside. We better wait for your cat here. We are waiting. Let's take a look. Your AUD. No, I think it was risky. I saw this too, but it was risky because look where these candles are closed, right? And look, we're just like in between two zones. So I think better that you hesitated because it would be just too risky. I think it was too risky because look where these candles are closing, and this candle closed below that. I wouldn't be sure to take this. Let's see. Your cat is giving some hopes here. I hope it's not going to come from another zone because that would be a worst case scenario. But it is breaking, so we are waiting for you. You're a cat. We are waiting for you. It's just a matter of time right now. When it starts and breaks and makes a retest, and all good then after that. Okay, I'll be back in 2-3 minutes. Wait for me. No way. No way you're a cat. Where the hell are you going? We're still gonna take this, whatever it comes. No, we're still gonna take this. It's almost at the next zone here. Almost. Yeah, we still have 15 minutes? No, we still have 22 minutes. There's a lot of time until the end. Maybe GU is retesting? Maybe it is. Who knows? Maybe it is retesting. Yeah, I mean, all that news, something might have effect on Eero. Has to. All that news, something has to. But I don't know, we're not having a lot of chances right now. We are not having chances. Do you ever pause buy or sell limits? No, we only paused buys or sells. No need for limits. Wow, your pairs are flying. GBP is melting. Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. Looks like the news have some effect on it, right? Or not? Because it came 10 minutes later. Let's see. Because we must have something, right? Or not? Where is this drop coming from? Is there a reason? Has anyone said you look like the bad guy in Superman 1? I don't have an idea actually. Do I look like the bad guy in Superman 1? I don't know how he looks like. Why do I look like bad people? No. That guy's ugly. Don't compare me to that guy.
Really thinking to take this trade on GU to the downside. It's risky, but
Oh, I don't know, Beitu, I don't know. It's too risky.
look at GJ. Is there any trade on GJ set? It's also dropping a lot.
The thing is, there's no trade after the news. This is related to the news?
I
It's
don't see
too
a news.
risky. But why is this kind of move happening? It doesn't really happen. I mean, why is this drop happening? It doesn't make sense in a technical point, you know? So, I don't know
Here's the
actually.
cat coming all the way up. Yeah, I think this all. on GU, this would also be a fake out on the 4 hour that we discussed this morning.
But on the 4 hours, there's going to be a rejection.
Oh, I have my zone a little lower.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. It was a weak
no.
breakout and then it went all the way up and now it's breaking below.
I don't know. I'm not sure. Not sure about this. Not sure about anything right now. Aussie dollar maybe? But we're gonna need a good breakout. There's still time. There is still time. We'll see what happens. Except GBP, everything is slow today. Even GBP was slow at one point. Didn't give us retests, didn't give us good setups. It's nothing good today. It's nothing good, unfortunately. I expected some good moves today and we got nothing. EuroCAD, I was hoping that EuroCAD's gonna give us something, but it's already at the next zone. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Look at oh, look at EA. Look at EA. It's crazy EA. We gotta wait. I don't know. I don't know yet. Even if you wait for a retest on GU, has to come all the way here at this zone. I don't know. I don't trust anything. I don't trust anything right now. Maybe DJPY breaks. Who knows? Breaks its 4-hour support and melts all the way to the downside. Because it looks like it has a free range all the way to this zone here. Looks pretty good. I don't know, man. This weird rejection on GU didn't make much sense. Can still continue up again, even though daily looks very strong resistance. See what happens. AUD dollar full margin is loading. Let's go. Let's go. It's a 4-hour support too, so it might be pretty good here. It might be good. Let's wait and see. Wait for a good break here. We have 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left, and we'll make a decision here. Ten minutes left. GBP and ZD retest. We don't trade GBP and ZD, unfortunately. It's too volatile. It's not for us. GBP and ZD is not for us. USD JPY. USD JPY. It's just a rejection. USD CAD pushing all the way up. Looks like USD is getting stronger. Yeah, looks like Aussie dollar is the safest one. If we break. Only if. 10 minutes left. If it closes like this, it's not a good breakout. We're gonna need a candle close around here, you know, it's at least 5 pips breakout, because it's not enough. Yeah, everything has a reason. Sometimes might not actually. Not every time. Sometimes there's no reason, just happens. Wow, this is crazy. Look at the 4-hour. Look at the 4-hour. It's a whole pullback of 55 pips. I was thinking having a 100 pip pullback, but it's only 50 pips. Well, it's still pretty big. You look at this pullback, it's crazy. Waiting and waiting. It's been 2 hours and a half almost, and we're still waiting for a good trade. We're gonna have a 4-hour close too. Okay, it's gonna be interesting. Come on, Aussie dollar, we need a better close. Even though on the 4-hour looks like it's gonna be a good close, not a very good one, but you know, average close. But we need 1 hour to push lower, and then it's gonna be good on both time frames. Oh, I forgot. Forgot to put the guy that does this, the job for us. Okay, do your job, man. Are we on GJ? No, we're not on anything right now. Still waiting. Still waiting, and Aussie dollars rejecting. It's a shame. It's a shame it's rejecting again. Five minutes left. Six minutes left. GU, what have you done? Yeah, GU has pushed to the downside, has dropped to the downside a lot. A lot. At the end, it's only 50 pips, but you know, it looks big. Looks big pullback. Didn't really expect GU to drop this much. I mean, I said, okay, might be a fake out, but the whole push to the downside like this, didn't really expect. But you see, everything can happen. Everything can happen. You never know. It's gonna be a long day. Long day in the office. If we don't have anything on this candle also, we gotta wait for the next one. It's gonna be a long wait, but I have to grab some food or something before. EJ, I don't know about EJ. He's been rejecting the support, closing above this. If we look left, we have a resistance here that we are breaking. I mean, we can risk some small pips here, why not? Let's see. If we close like this, it's good, not bad. Then we'll take the retest. We will take the retest. Let's see. If it closes without a top wick, that would be nice. Gave us a push. 4 hour can push deeper. Yeah, we'll see. The 4 hour looks good also. 4 hour is gonna break also. Yeah, let's go, let's go. EJ is gonna be good. Let's take EJ. Because Aussie dollar is not breaking. It's not breaking. Let's take EJ. Let's go EJ. Stop loss. I think I'm gonna put my stop loss below this wick here. I think that should be enough. Because if we go all the way below this again, it's game over. So I'm gonna use a 10 pip stop loss. That 125 level. Well, we still have more room to push to that zone after the retest. Yeah, AD cat already did the move, so skip that because I saw it already did the move. before coming again. How about GJ? No, I don't want to look at GBP pairs because it's not stable right now. I don't like them. Okay, EJ is coming. Should be good. Look, EJ probably is going to make a very small pullback. I don't know if we're going to get a full pullback like we want, but get ready to take it in a small range. Okay? Get ready to take it in a small range because it might come all the way to where we want to. Okay, good. Good breakout. It's not the best breakout ever, but it can work in this kind of situation. It's almost 6 pips, so better than GBP. Let's see. Now we need a small pullback. Hope doesn't push before. Let's go EJ. Give us a pullback here. Small pullback. Starts to push without us would be very bad. Let's see. Give us a pullback. We have a 4-hour close too. 4-hour closed above. So it makes a lot of sense. A retest and filling this range to the upside here. We have 22 pips range. That's very good. That is very good. EJ has daily resistance. No, we're passing that. EJ resistance is here, lower, because that's only a small one candle, which at the time was a fake out probably, because look at where most of the rejections are. Let's go EJ. Let's go. Give us a retest.
At where will you start to take it?
Where would I take it?
Yeah, where will you start?
Yeah, I'm gonna start at 900. Another 3 pips. Another 3 pips and I'll take it. Ten pips stop on EJ, yeah. I think there's no need for more. Why wait for retest? Previous candle is not so extended from support. It's not too far, but still we gotta wait for a pullback because that's how it is. Gotta wait for a small pullback at least. Can't enter on the top because that would be a bad entry. And the 4-hour might come lower, that's why. Let's go EJ, just give us a small pullback here. Another 2 pips and we will be done. Let's delete this guy here because it's just taking space. It's taking too much time. Too much time. Look at this. Just a small pullback, EJ. Just a small pullback. Now it starts to push all the way up. That wouldn't be good. Rachel's gonna say now I entered EJ. Tell me, Beto,
No,
you did
bro,
enter
not
some?
yet. No, but I was thinking about entering more than 1%.
Well, I hope we didn't do a mistake by not taking it here, because it might
We enter
not
a
come
half,
after.
maybe.
What?
Half entry, maybe here. I don't know. It's
Yeah,
not like
we can do half. Okay, let's just turn bearish. Once it turns bearish, I'll enter one position there. Let's see. Let's go, EJ. Let's go do something. Do something. We don't have much time. Okay, EJ's coming slowly, slowly. If you look at the 4 hours, he needs to come lower because of the 4 hour too. Then we can continue to the upside. But with a very, very small pullback wouldn't be a very good idea. That's why I wanted to come a little lower, to have a better entry. You guys can take half if you want, okay? You guys can take half, but I'm waiting for a bit here. Take half at least, because I only have I'm risking 1%, so I'm waiting for a deeper entry. If you guys gonna risk for a bit more, then yes, you can take half here, and they take another half when it comes deeper. Okay. Look, I'm gonna have to go now, but we'll keep in touch, okay? EJ needs to come a little lower, but you guys can enter half here. And if it comes a little lower, enter another half. Okay. So it's all already starting to come. It's almost there. Enter half here because you know we have a very small range here. It's 3 pips for why not entering? Because it might leave us without anything after. So yeah, enter here, half, and you can enter half after. I'm taking one here. I'm taking a buy here. And if it comes to the lower, then you can take also another one. Stop loss, as I said, here below this previous candle. I don't expect a deeper retest. And we'll see how it works. See how it works. Should work nice. For now, guys, have a nice day. And see you. Use good risk. We'll see how this goes. I'm expecting this to continue. It's a 4-hour breakout too, so it might be very nice. Nick, we talked about the daily. Daily is a little lower, so we are clear for the daily. We have a 1-hour and 4-hour breakout. It's pretty good. Should continue to the upside. Okay. Have a nice day, guys. See you.
Thank you, bro. Take care.